Feels a little bit overwhelming, but I'm going to give you a brief demonstration of how I would put this together. Okay, I'm going to do some coding for you. I'm not going to code the whole thing, but I'm going to code parts of it so you can see how I would put this structure together. So first, I want to start out by defining my key variables, right? And so I want to define my variables. The next thing I want to do is set up the main loop. And I'm leaving space in between these because I'm going to come back and I'm going to fill in the code here in just a minute. I'm going to present the main menu interface. Up here, before I set up the main loop, I might want to do like some kind of welcome screen. Optional welcome screen. Once I get into that main menu, I'm going to say, do they want to withdrawal or deposit? Okay, so if withdrawal, then choose checking or savings, and then choose amount, and then I'm going to do calculation, okay, so this part is very similar. Copy, paste. So if deposit, right? And I'm indenting these to remind myself of the indentation structure that I need. And then finally, another transaction. If yes, then break. Okay, so this is kind of like my code structure here. So it's kind of just me thinking through, planning ahead. The nice thing about this is that now when I add the code into this, I won't have to go back and comment it very much or even necessarily at all.